Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Always a Binibini. Catarina Rodriguez, Binibining Pilipinas Intercontinental 2017 and Miss Intercontinental 2017 first runner-up. Graced the diamond anniversary of the Binibining Pilipinas pageant with her presence, epitomizing grace and elegance. Her participation in this landmark celebration added a touch of nostalgia and inspiration, reminding everyone of the enduring legacy of the pageant and the impact it has had on countless lives. Catarina Rodriguez's journey in this pageant world is a testament to her beauty, intelligence, and perseverance. Her impressive performance in the Miss Intercontinental 2017, where she secured the first runner-up position, showcased her as a formidable representative of the Philippines on the international stage. Her return to the Binibining Pilipinas stage for the Diamond Anniversary was a heartfelt homecoming, celebrating not only her achievements but also the collective success of all the Binibinis who have walked this prestigious path. The Diamond Anniversary event was a grand celebration commemorating 60 years of excellence in pageantry. It brought together past title holders, current candidates, and the pageant enthusiasts in the night filled with glamour, memories, and anticipation for the future. Catarina, with her radiant smile and poised demeanor, was a standout figure, embodying the essence of what it means to be a Binibini. Her involvement in the event underscored the lasting bonds formed within the Binibining Pilipinas community. It was a night to honor the past, celebrate the present, and look forward to the future. Catarina's presence served as a beacon of inspiration for current and future contestants, showing that the values and experiences gained through the pageant extend far beyond the competition itself. As the Binibining Pilipinas pageant moves forward, celebrating its rich history and evolving legacy, figures like Catarina Rodriguez continues to shine as a symbol of its enduring impact. The Diamond Anniversary was not just a celebration of a milestone, but a reaffirmation of the pageant's role in empowering women and fostering a sense of community and pride. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!